at ArtSea, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a trick called the Assassin's Pass by someone named Red Knight. It's pretty easy. I mean, it's kind of a mix of many different tricks, and they're all beginners, so, but it's just another way to like open the knife, flip the knife, so I hope you don't get annoyed, but it's pretty cool, so hope you like it. Okay, so I'll show you the trick fast, and then I'll show you slow, so here's fast. So in order to do this trick, you're going to hold the knife by the safe handle. That's the one without the latch. And it's basically a double rollout at first. So you're going to go double rollout like that. You're going to put your pointer finger right here, and you're going to flip back like that. And then you're going to flip back again, roll, and then flip again. And then you're going to get your thumb in the back of the safe handle and roll it around like that. So the knife comes at you like that. I'll show you it again. So you're going to hold the knife like this. You're going to do a double rollout. Flick the knife back. Flick it forward. Rotate again. Flick it back again. So it's going to hit twice. And then you're going to roll it around. So it's basically an easy way to open the knife, and it looks cool. So hope you guys like that tutorial. I'm going to be doing more of the video submissions, so tune in for that in the next week or 2 weeks. So thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment below.